Air. All living things need air and water to live. We need air to breathe and water to drink. Air is present everywhere. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. The air is a mixture of gases. It contains about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, helium, hydrogen, and ozone. It also contains water vapor, dust, and smoke. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is not used by living beings directly from the air. Plants get nitrogen from the soil, and animals get nitrogen from plants or meat. Nitrogen does not support burning. Its absence can make even a small fire uncontrollable. Oxygen. All living things need oxygen. Oxygen is also needed for burning. Other gases. Carbon dioxide is used by plants for photosynthesis. It is also used in fire extinguishers. Argon is used in making bulbs and fluorescent tubes. Atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is held by the Earth's gravity. It can be divided into 5 layers as shown here. Troposphere is the first layer above the Earth's surface. All changes in the weather occur in this layer. Stratosphere is the second layer. Many aircraft fly in this layer. Ozone layer, that absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun, is present in this layer. Mesosphere is the third layer. Meteoroids burn out in this layer so that they do not crash into the Earth's surface. Meteoroids are small rocks that move in the space. Thermosphere is the fourth layer. Space shuttles orbit in this layer. Exosphere is the fifth layer. The air in this layer is very thin. The atmosphere helps us in many ways. It protects the Earth from becoming too hot by preventing the entry of a large part of sunlight from reaching the Earth. It protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. It protects us from meteoroids. A meteorite can make a hole or crater in the ground if it hits it. Properties of air. Air has 3 properties. It occupies space. It has weight. It exerts pressure. Let's experiment. Aim: to show that air exerts pressure. Things needed: a glass, water, and a piece of cardboard. Method: fill water in the glass up to the brim. Put the cardboard on the brim of glass. Press the cardboard with your hand and turn the glass upside down. Gently remove your hand and observe. Observation: the cardboard remains in its place and the water does not fall. Conclusion. The pressure exerted by the air outside keeps the cardboard in its place. Take a juice can and make a hole on one side. When you tilt the can, juice flows out slowly. Now make another hole on the other side. The juice flows out rapidly. This happens because of the air pressure. Air enters the can from the second hole and its pressure pushes the juice out of the can. Air pressure helps us in many ways. It helps us to drink juice through a straw. It helps in filling fountain pens and syringes. It helps in using droppers.